An important question a lot of you might be asking yourselves is, how much am I going to get paid to close or originate these hard equity loans? And who's going to pay me my compensation or commission? Now, when closing hard equity loans, you'll normally be able to charge 1 to 3% of the loan amount, or you can choose to be paid a fixed amount as well, which will end up being a percentage anyway. That's still within that percentage range. When loan amounts are very high, this can be a great source of income. Real estate prices will continue to go up with inflation, which means that the commissions will also continue to grow. For example, if you close a transaction that has a $1 million loan amount and you make a 2% commission, so you're going to multiply a million times 0.02, that's going to equal $20,000. So on a $1 million transaction, you're going to make $20,000. Another good example would be if you close a $17 million loan on a shopping center or a similar real estate property, and you're charging 1.5% as your loan origination fee. You'd make 17 million times 0.015, which would be 1.5%, and that would equal $255,000. Most commercial properties have very high loan amounts, which represent a huge opportunity for you to make a great living by helping them obtain the financing that they need. You'll be able to get paid your commission or compensation by either, depends if you work for a mortgage company, they'll pay you and they'll pay you the percentage that you've already agreed with them in advance when you signed on with them. Now, you can always go back and renegotiate with them if you let them know that it's going to be a very high commission and you don't want to make a lower compensation or you want to make a higher compensation. Whatever it is, you need to talk to your broker or the lender to be able to agree on those terms. If you're unlicensed and working in a state that doesn't require licensing, you would be able to keep the entire commission minus taxes, but you still have to close in the name of a corporation or an LLC, and you have to coordinate with the lender to confirm that that's going to be the specific case. Now, the important thing is to let the hard equity lender know in advance that you're either licensed or that you're unlicensed, so that you can have the complete or proper forms provided to them before the closing, so that you're in line and so that you can close and still get paid your commission.